Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we will discuss about one topic that often comes to people's mind when we were talking about consulting. This very question is about how a young consultant is better positioned to advise CEOs or top executives who has been in the industry for 20, 30, and even 50 years. What could we actually offer that would make sense, that would be helpful to these people? Now, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nathan. I had a privilege of working as a consultant in three of the largest and most prominent global consulting firms, which give me insights and experience that I would love to share with you all. This channel will be beneficial for you who are looking to break into consulting firm as well as trying to jumpstart your professional career. All right, so let's jump into today's topic. What are the reasons that young consultants will be valuable to CEOs? So we have three reasons why young consultants can advise CEOs. Number one is the ability to objectively think and problem solve. The CEOs and top executives might have years of experiences under their belt, but this very specialization oftentimes causes them to be very biased in viewing issues that appears in their industry. To quote from the famous Din Djarin, the Mando from Mandalorian series, they will often say, "This is the way." As a consultant, we have another word. We will say, "There might be another way." I know it doesn't sound as cool as the first one, but it is helpful for the company. Who knows, maybe we could trademark those standard signature saying for the third Mandalorian series if they have it. Fingers crossed. All right, let's go with number two. The second reason why young consultant can advise CEO is the ability to draw insights from a multitude of industries and functions. As a consultant, we have access to partners, directors, and even external experts from different sectors. Through this way, we are able to cross reference insights that have been implemented in other industry and functions and draw those transferable insights to the industry that we are focusing at the moment. This very skill, this very implementation will result in an innovation or invention. Why? Let's say there is this one particular process that was implemented in industry A. We are currently serving industry B. They haven't really thought about this particular process. Through our research, we identify that this process can actually be implemented in industry B. So we propose this and recommend the CEO to implement the process. That in itself, implementing process from industry A to industry B, counts as an innovation. Number three, the reason why young consultant can advise CEO is due to the raw horsepower that they have. Young consultants might lack in terms of knowledge and tenure in an industry. But they compensate that by having a quick analytical thinking capability. They're able to think about different things very quickly and rapidly. This skill, combined with the previous two capabilities, will make a very formidable weapon that you could leverage to serve CEOs, and they will definitely glad to have it in their disposal. So let me recap the key takeaways from today's session. 3 reasons why young consultant can advise CEOs. Number 1, the ability to think and problem solve objectively. Being able to see the issues outside of a biased mindset. Number 2, the ability to cross-reference insights from different industries and functions, thereby enabling innovations, new inventions in industry that you are focusing in on your current project. Lastly, the ability to generate raw horsepower, to quickly think on your feet, to analyze things. All these 3 skill sets combined will be very invaluable to the CEOs in solving the top of mind issues. I hope it has been very informative and clear to you all. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.